So this video is sponsored by our friends at Lowe's. They sent us into the store and they let us pick some products. We chose an Oklahoma Joe. It is a gas grill smoker combo, so you can do both on them. And we have been wanting one of these for a while because my husband smokes and he grills, but this way we can do both, so we can grill stuff and smoke stuff in one combo. Now, we did not want to put it together ourselves. So the nice thing about Lowe's is it is free assembly. So whatever you choose, they can build for you. Now, that was good and bad. It was nice because we didn't have to put it together. However, they did miss a couple bolts and we had to go back into the store. But other than that, like, it was great. It was smooth sailing. They were able to give us more products to go with it, such as charcoal and wood to smoke. So we are very grateful for that. All right, we got it. And we just heated this up and we put oil in it so we can start seasoning the burner. So we are testing out this gas grill, and so we are going to be cooking some salmon. So we're going to barbecue some salmon, so we're going to use this, and we need to soak it underwater for 5 minutes. And here's the salmon. So now I'm going to season them. The seasonings I used is garlic powder, authentic Greek herb blend, and Johnny seasoning. And then I'm just going to squeeze some lemon. And then add a lemon slice. So I put the lemon on it with some chives, and then I'm just gonna roll these up just like this. Purchasing from Lowe's was so smooth, and they kept updating us through emails and texts when the different products were ready and we could go pick them up. If you'd like to purchase this product, I would definitely recommend you going through Lowe's, and I will link it below. All right, now they're ready to go on the grill. For a side dish, we decided to cook some homemade French fries. If you have never had homemade French fries on the grill, they are so delicious. Now we are testing out the smoker portion, and so we are making some pork loin.
It's a day for smoking, and we get to test out this beautiful Oklahoma Joe smoker. Got my charcoal nice and hot and ready.
What are you putting in here?
We got some pork loin here with just a standard pork rub. Later we'll put a glaze on, a chipotle apricot jam glaze. For our woods, we're mixing apple and hickory, and I'm ready to put those on top of those coals here, and the smoke will come out and get that meat tasting great. All right, the temperature's going really good. I'm right at 250, which is my favorite temperature to smoke at. And I'm gonna add some wood because it's all smoked through. Got some nice hickory here. And my vent's closed, so it doesn't allow too much air in. It's a really cool vent over here with the rubber handle. Works really good to regulate the airflow. Then we've got our thermometer here through the hole, so I can check the temperature of the meat with my ThermoPro thermometer.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to our sponsor, Lowe's. And of course, if you would like to purchase this product, remember it's in the description box below, and I will tag it in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video.